Today we have brought you a significant ruling from the Supreme Court that could reshape legal protection for Muslim women in India. Let's delve into the details. In a landmark decision today, the Supreme Court dismissed a petition challenging the right of Muslim women to claim maintenance under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now coming to the key point of the judgment, Justice B.V. Nagarthana and Augustine George Massey, delivering separate but concurring judgments, emphasized that Section 125 CRPC applies universally to all women, including Muslim women. This ruling clarifies that the Muslim Women Protection of Right on Divorce Act 1986 does not override the secular provisions of Section 125 CRPC. The court underscored that while the 1986 Act provides comprehensive provisions like meher and dowry, Section 125 CRPC offers an additional avenue for maintenance irrespective of religious affiliations. This decision ensures that divorced Muslim women can seek interim maintenance under CRPC 125 during legal proceedings. Senior advocate S. Wasim A. Qadri argued that the 1986 Act provides broader support, including provisions for lifelong maintenance, unlike Section 125 CRPC, which focuses on immediate financial assistance. This ruling marks a significant step toward ensuring gender justice and equality under the law. It underscores the court's commitment to upholding fundamental rights and providing equitable remedies to all women, irrespective of religious background. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving legal landscape. Your thoughts and comments are welcome as we continue to explore the implications of this landmark judgment.